Hey, good Tuesday afternoon, everyone. It's 21 News Chief Meteorologist Eric Wilhelm back after a 3-day weekend, and I've come back to a warm and humid day today, but it is largely dry now after some beneficial rains at the start of the day today. I even awakened to the sound of thunder just after 7 o'clock this morning. Here's some Doppler radar estimated rainfall totals from very early this morning, particularly in western Pennsylvania. We did pretty well here. Some places might have had around 3/4 of an inch to an inch or so worth of rain. The Ohio counties a little less. I had about 1/3 of an inch at my house in Boardman. The radar estimate's pretty close to that. Down in Columbiana County, where it's probably especially dry, that might be our driest county overall right now. They've had the least amount of rain over the last 6 weeks or so. 1/3 of an inch in some spots this morning. So that was good news, and it came at a decent time of the day when most people weren't quite up and around just yet. Well, this afternoon we are dry. We've got a mixed bag of clouds and sun on the visible satellite this afternoon. The radar does show a little bit of thunderstorm activity up towards the Cleveland area. This is not moving very fast. Locally, our radar is quiet, and I expect it to mostly stay that way for the rest of the day today. Here's our high-resolution futurecast model. This will pause at about dinner time, 5 o'clock or so. These little specks of green, it's probably a little overdone. I can't rule out that there's some sort of stray shower or a thunderstorm in a few spots, but it'll just be a few spots. Most of us won't see it. Most of us will get away dry for the rest of the day today and into this evening as well. Our rain chances are going to increase later tomorrow, and especially tomorrow night and into parts of Thursday as well. Here's a live look outside just after 2 p.m. in Columbiana, where it's warm, 80 degrees, the dew point 70. So it's muggy out there. It kind of feels like a Florida afternoon. And get used to this. It's going to stay real muggy into the day tomorrow. Other local temperatures, we're all kind of in the same boat here, upper 70s to around 80 or so this afternoon. The dew points are mostly in the 60s to around 70 throughout the Great Lakes and the Ohio Valley. So it's a muggy air mass. The dry air is not found until you head out here into the Midwest, where you see these grayer colors. That's the dry air that will come in here at the end of the week and heading into the weekend. Well, a quick preview of the 7-day forecast here. Now, these are just computer model numbers. I'll adjust things this afternoon. A little bit of an up and down pattern here. I do think that this 73 is too cool on Thursday. I suspect we're more like 75, 76 that day, maybe even 77. But tomorrow's a warm day with sky-high humidity. It's really going to be stifling tomorrow. And then Friday and the weekend, all looking good, although, again, it's going to start to turn pretty hot once again before the next cool down early next week. So a full breakdown of the 7-day forecast this evening on 21 News at 6. I'll talk a little bit about the Farmer's Almanac as well, which is getting a strange amount of publicity, especially on social media right now. So I'll talk about that on the news this evening at 6. Look forward to seeing you then, and have a great Tuesday afternoon.